everybody, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, I'm currently live here in an SPX short position, which before I actually start the video, I actually want to give a big shout out. Give me 1 second, guys, here. So I want to give a big shout out to my two students, Francisco Gonzalez and George Castro. Francisco Gonzalez and George Castro, they're both students of mine, and as you guys can see, they're currently in the lead. They're top 3 right now to win $10,000. That's where Francisco's in the lead for, and George is in the lead to win $2,500. They're both students of mine inside of the day trading institution, and basically HeroFX, we host this, and basically I hosted this competition directly on HeroFX, where whoever has the highest return with a very small deposit will win $10,000, and then we'll win $2,500. So they're currently in the lead right now. It's super dope to see two students of mine are about to win literally a combination of $12,500 in between both of them. And anyways, let's get into this SPX breakdown and why I'm short on the SPX. So if we look at the S&P 500 overall on the daily time frame, we've rejected this major zone being 4,100. Price failed to break above it, and we've broken under the previous day's lows, which is going to be our support level. Now, if we go to the hourly time frame, essentially what we see here is a nice transition and trend where price is forming higher low, higher high, and so on and so forth. Essentially in a bullish condition, we've broken under the VWAP. Price is now trading under this previous area of support. It's made a new high, but ended up coming back under this previous area of support, and the previous hourly candlestick is actually holding as resistance. So my entry was basically after a retest of this resistance range where it just broke and retested and held as resistance. Price closed under, came back above, closed under again, and then this was my entry candlestick here. We'll go into the entry, which was all done on the 5-minute time frame, and then we had price actually reject this area here. So I'm kind of looking for price to come back down into its previous lows of the day, which is also going to be kind of our major area of support over here. Right, so this is my next target here, which is going to be 40.29, and then if price can actually break this 40.29 level, we can easily see 40.15 and in between 40.17 being tested as well. So these are kind of my main two targets here, 40.30 and 40.16. Excuse me. So now basically my entry was when price actually ended up breaking above during the market. I waited because I knew I wanted to take a short position on the day. Which initially I wanted to go short at this area of previous resistance, but I just never ended up taking the position because I just wasn't at my computer. By the time I came back to my computer, price was already all the way down here, which sucks, but you know what, it is what it is. So price ended up coming back under resistance, pulled back above, rejected, as you guys can see here. I didn't take a position when it was trading back above, rejected again, and then it's like, okay, well, you know what, I'll just wait for price to break and retest on 40.29, right? But then it gave me another opportunity. It pulled back to 40.45 here, which is resistance, and then once price actually retested, rejected the VWAP, maintained under the VWAP, and then we have this support range, which is holding as resistance. Like, okay, well, I'm going to take my entries here as price is rejecting this 5-minute resistance range or this hourly resistance range with my stops above the zone and above the VWAP. And then my targets are going to be down here at support. So now let's just kind of wait and see what happens with my position here. I'm going to hop on the DTI live room chat and see what the other members are currently up to. Downtrend here on the 1-minute time frame, and I'm looking at the 1-minute time frame because that's going to determine where price is going to go in the short term, right? I do want to maintain my short bias as long as price can maintain under the VWAP, but if price does break above these 1-minute highs here and make new highs is when I will be exiting my position pretty much at a small win, which that's going to happen. I'm trying to let my trades run as long as possible, but at the same time price is in a consolidating state, and I don't want my positions to be broken even on me and or potentially get stopped out if I continue to hold my position. So As long as the 1 minute time frame can maintain under this resistance range here and maintain under these lows, I'm going to hold my position because we should see price continue to go down. The minute we see price break above 40.24 or 40.42, sorry, we should see price come back up into resistance. My bad, I'm late, guys. I had some doctor's appointments in the mornings that I completely forgot about. I couldn't make it early in the morning. Yeah, how come? What's good? What's good? If you guys, I completely missed the shorts that I wanted to take that I called out last night on SPX, which was a rejection of, what area is this? This is a rejection of 40.62. That's where I wanted to go short. Price tapped it so perfectly and just dropped from there, but you know what it is, what it is. I just closed 2 of my positions. I'm gonna leave this as a runner. long, if we're going short, start off basing like your overall directional bias with the VWAP. Where's price trading? Are we under the VWAP? Are we above the VWAP? We're under the VWAP. All right, I'm gonna look to sell. You know, I'm gonna hold my sell positions, etc., etc. But you still gotta remember, like, if you're in a position though, like in my situation right now, I'm in shorts from 40.46, right? And price is at 40.30. It's about to hit my first target at 40.29, right? Price could reject 40.29 and come all the way back up into the VWAP. At that point in time, obviously, like, I want to have big close my position. That's why you still gotta, like, active trade management, all that's also super important. That's why, like, sure, you could have it as like extra confluence, but I would always also focus on price and what price is doing. Oh yeah, I'm sure you see downside. Yeah, I'm going to yeah, nice one. Okay, I can leave right now. Let's go. I'm sorry, bro. I don't touch it. Let's see, I guess it's starting to drop under. He was starting to drop too. I don't use on it, then you just look low. Was that nice? I'm not mentioning anything close to you. You can do it more, bro. You know, if you want to use on range, drop it, so forth. Just first. That's your sorry. I want to see if it holds the brace. I think the next thing break, I'm trying to hold it down to like 40, 15, 40, 16. Yeah. I'm done. I'm gonna gracefully close my positions here. Alright, I'm out. Hold on, I'll get to your question in a second. Let me look at my trade. And bro, it's the end of day, so it's like, fuck, do I want to hold? Do I close? What on? That's wrong. It's a good yeah, I don't wanna. I'm not talking about it. I'm not talking about it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not 14, 16. That's it. What did you get? I'm gonna down to 14, 15, 14, 16. 14, 20. I was seeing Zardo's that. I'm Zardo's not on my first, so I have to run through. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm out. Yeah, bro, I'm out. All right, everybody. So here's the result for the trading day so far. As you guys can see here, this is all my profit. I already did an internal transfer. I'm about to request a withdrawal from the brokerage. See how long that takes. Normally it takes about like 15, 20, sometimes 30 minutes. The longest I waited for a withdrawal was about like an hour on HeroFX compared to other brokerages. As you guys can see here, also this is not a screenshot as you guys can see this. So this is pretty much all of the positions that I've taken today so far. I did a little $40 withdrawal there just for an Instagram story promotion on my previous trade, which was a $20,000 profit. And then we have this 13K profit over here, which I then withdrew $9,000. That's an actual withdrawal. Funds, which as you guys can see, it's my wallet there. The $9,000 already sitting. My crypto wallet. And then I'm gonna withdraw basically everything that's in the wallet. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna withdraw USDT, ERC20, continue. Let me grab my pin really quick here. Boom. And then there you go. Your withdrawal request has been received, and I'll let you guys know when it's approved and when it hits my Kraken wallet. So we'll give it like 15-20 minutes here to see how long it gets approved, and then how long it takes to leave the brokerage, so then go to my Kraken wallet. And then it's already in my Kraken wallet, as you guys can see here, in literally the matter of not even 20 minutes, I want to say. That's why I trade on Hero FX, but I'm about to sell this crypto now, put it back in my bank account. As you guys already know, no monopoly money. So if you guys want to trade with me live every single day, then you guys can join the application list, which you can find down in the description. It's daytradinginstitution.com. If you guys want to come learn from me the next time I allow 100 more people to join DTI. And if you guys want to trade on the same broker that I'm trading on, then there will be a link down in the description. Anyways, take care, everybody.